Hi everyone, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. If you are watching for the first time, please hit the subscribe button to watch latest videos of fashions and trends. Also tap the bell button for future notifications so that you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. Appreciated for subscribing. In this video, I've come up with making of tri-wheel Chinese knot button, also called as frog closures or the handmade fancy cording buttons. These buttons leave the signature of the stylish appeal. With the simple cord or the dory, we can create these accessories matching to our garments. So today I'd be using this handmade dory. You would also require thread and needle. And this would be the boat neckline. To this neckline, I'll be joining the buttons. Let's quickly get into the project. This is how the buttons would look. This would be the dory string of 15 inches. Fold it into half. Make a loop on the fold like this. The loop should be of the button length. Depending upon the button size, we have to give the loop size. Holding the required length of the loop, give the stitch joining the two. Also give the tight knot. If you don't have this handmade dories, you can also try with the ready-made dories or the cordings available in the market. Now if you see here, the loop with the two ends like this. Opposite sides you have to rotate in the circular shape, holding the ends like this. Tightly you have to pull the circular shape, holding it between the two fingers. Start rotating till it reaches to the loop end. Now you can see the perfect circular shape of the cording. We have to secure with the tight stitch. Give the reverse stitch reaching to the loop end. This way we'll secure our cording in the circular shape. Again secure with the tight knot. Do the same thing for another side also. Start rotating the cording end, making the circular shape, holding it tightly till it reaches to the loop end. You make it 5 to 6 circular shapes. See, this is how it would look. Now we have to give again the stitch, inserting in the center. The stitches whatever we are giving should be invisible. Also use the same color thread matching to the cording. Again give the reverse stitch, getting back to the loop. Reaching the needle towards loop, give the tight knot here towards back. This is how it would look. On the top we have to make again one circular shape. You can also use the contrast colors, but here I am going with the same color. Again hold the cording end and start rotating, making the circular shape. Rotate it hardly. Now we have to give the stitch. Start inserting the needle towards cording other end and also give the reverse stitch. This is how it would look. Now I'll join this with the center of the loop. I've made a loop with the two wheels, placing on the two circular shapes like this, making a triangle. Just hold it tightly and give the stitch. This circular shape would be joining with the other two, giving the tight knots in the center. This way we'll secure without letting it open after designing these Chinese buttons. The knots in the stitches, whatever you are giving, that should be towards back side. I'm done with this Chinese button making. Now I'll be joining to this neckline. Place it where you want to join. With the same thread and needle, we have to give the stitches. I've joined the button. Now to this Chinese button loop, I'll be joining the fabric button on the other side of the neckline. Give the hand stitch for joining this button. These buttons will elevate the simple garment into the stylish appeal. Wanna see the final finishings? See, this is how it looks. Also try these buttons for the decorative accessories. And for the sleeves, it would look like this. These Chinese knot buttons, also called as frog closures. These type of buttons will not easily available in the market and also very expensive. But after watching this video, I'm sure you'd try this. Try and share your wonderful experience. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. This is Radha signing off. Love you all. Bye for now. Meet you friends. Stay tuned.